Hi everyone, Fenris Models here, and today we're going to take a look at what is in the box for the Airfix de Havilland Vampire in 1/72nd scale. As you can see, the box is the standard Airfix quality. We have our warnings and more artwork on those sides. And there we go. So you see we have our two schemes, one for the T11 and one for the J28C. Additional paints that you'll need, and we have one flying hour. Oh, and this is code A02058A, so it's a Series 2 kit. Now I've already taken everything out of the bags just to make this simpler. We're going to set it all aside and start with the instructions. And I do apologize, I do have a cold, so that's why I probably sound a little bit weirder than I normally do. But yeah. So we have some information on the de Havilland Vampire. Always do enjoy these little blurbs that they include. And the instructions they're pretty standard for Airfix. We have starting with the seats and the pilots, because the Vampire was a dual pilot plane. Closing it up into the fuselage, and then we get into getting the wings set up. And then work on the, I don't know if you, they aren't nacelles, right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. These guys, get them put on, and then landing gear if you're going to do it in flight or landed. Y'all know me, I tend to like mine in flight. And then the cockpit glass. So yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty easy to follow instructions, as Airfix is wont to do. Here are our two schemes. We have the T11 from the Central Flying School, and the J28C from the Swedish Air Force. And I like both of these schemes. They're both unique, but I think I'm going to go with the A scheme just because I really like how bright this orange is, and the camera's not fully picking it up. It's a little more fluorescent than what the camera's showing. It is a bright orange, and it is very eye-catching, and I really kind of like it. So yeah, the decals are Cartograph, so they are very good quality. I'm looking forward to that. And I know stencils can be a pain and a half for most people to put on, but Cartograph does their best to make it easy, and I appreciate that. Alright, so now on to the sprues. We're going to start with the C sprue here. And we have the tail sections, our two pilots, which looks pretty good quality there. Everything looks nice and clean, got good detail on them. And here we have B sprue, which has all of our engine components, our landing gear, covers, our seats, and the wings. And then A sprue, we have the fuselage, the other parts of the wings, and the nose, bottom side of the nose. So yeah, everything looks nice and crisp. Then we have our clear parts. So let's get that focus in a little better. There we go. Crystal clear, no scratches. The detail for the canopy lines is nice and pronounced, so that'll be easy to work around. We have 2 viewfinders for the 2 pilots. So yeah. All in all, that's it's a pretty fast look. There's not much to this kit, but I'm looking forward to building it. If you've built this kit, make sure to let me know in the comments how it built up and what you thought of it. And be on the lookout for the build video coming up here soon. And in the meantime, stay safe and keep modeling.